Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Foxes and Pearls, and today we're doing a holiday themed cord. So as some of you might recall, I did a video earlier this year with the Alice and the Pirates Royal Crown Tea, and I said, oh, this just feels very much like the holidays to me. Like, I kept feeling Nutcracker vibes the whole time. So if you haven't seen that video and you want to see like the close-ups and my unboxing and everything, go ahead and check that out. Today we're gonna do it in a cord. Let me go ahead and start by pulling out all of my pieces. I'm very excited because it took me forever to find the perfect blouse to go in this cord. Okay, so first and foremost we've got the JSK black. We love the velvet. We love the gold braiding. So gorgeous. Ugh, and these pleats and plaid, fleur-de-lis, everything we love. And then the blouse I got to go with it. I am like so thrilled. So I got this on Lace Market as well. I got the JSK originally on Lace Market. The only downside with this was like literally the first time I tried it on, two of the buttons popped off. One on the sleeve and one on the blouse part, not because it was too small. They already looked really loose, but it's fine. I still haven't sewn them on, so hopefully you guys won't notice in the actual finished shots. I do love the tie that this comes with. However, I did specifically purchase a collar brooch to go with this, so I won't actually be using this, but I have tried it on with this when I did first get it, and I liked how it looked. So definitely like doesn't ruin the look. It's just not quite how I want the finished look to be. Yes, so we've got that. And like, come on, look at those gold accents matching these gold accents. Come on. And then for the petticoat, I think I'm going to go with my smaller petticoat since this doesn't poof out very far. I think I'm gonna do this one. And then for my bloomers, I think I'm gonna do these gauzy black ones. I think I'll do those ones. And then my accessories, I am so excited. Okay, so first, let me pull out the brooch that I talked about. I picked out this one because it has these pearls and it has like this exact cross type thing on one of the crowns in the JSK. So that is why I picked that. I just felt it looked so royal. So, and that's kind of what I'm going for here. And then for the headpiece, many of you probably have heard of Dolby. She is a Lolita and she makes these like really beautiful pieces and sells them on Etsy. Her Etsy shop is Dolby. So I got this gorgeous headband from her. It was like, when I first saw it, I knew this is exactly what I wanted because I kind of batted around the idea of getting a crown, this particular crown actually, but it just felt like it definitely would have gone, like I still wanted something that looked really royal, but I feel like this is the kind of outfit that like not a princess would wear or a queen. I don't feel like this is first in line for the throne kind of outfit. I feel like this is second in line or third in line, which, you know, like that's how Queen Elizabeth became Queen Elizabeth I. So I was going for something that still looked very royal, like, but I'm not next in line for the throne. Like, I'm not trying to be that way. I'm just trying to enjoy royal life and not have a ton of responsibility. I just want to like show up and be there for the people. So I got this, and actually Dolby was so sweet, and she actually sent me the whole set. Like sometimes you can buy her accessories just one, but she usually makes like whole sets of them and you can buy the whole set a little discounted, and I got the whole set, which was so amazing and wonderful. And I honestly, like, the other part of this set besides the headpiece that I really loved was the purse. So this is the purse. It's like this super cute. It's got that same kind of red And then it's got this clear top, and so you can just hold it by that little handle, or you've got the long gold chain, so you can hide the chain in there. And then it closes with a magnet. So cute, love it. I'm gonna add it to the final look. For my OTKs, oh, I have these super cute socks. They're actually not OTKs. They're just below the knee, I think. And they've got these little crowns. I was so happy when I found those. I felt like it was just the right amount of elegance. And then for the shoes, I have a couple of just like plain black Mary Janes that I could choose from. I also have one pair of like red velvet heels. I don't know if I'll wear those with it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna look and you'll just see what it looks like at the end. So, and I don't think I'm gonna do a wig like this. I'm gonna try to do a little updo with my hair and then just showcase the top of that headband. And yeah, okay, so let's move into the bedroom and do my makeup and put on the full cord, and we'll do the whole look and the reveal. So, okay, see you in a second. All right, floofy headband is on. So for makeup, what I am thinking is we're definitely gonna do, my dog's trying to play with my feet. We're definitely gonna do a bright red lip. That is a must. I've got to link all of those pops of red. Also a pretty dark red blush. And then for the shadow, I am going to do a gold lid and a gold highlighter on my cheeks to pull out all of the gold. And then big black eyeliner. So, I doubly everybody. I thought I would switch it up and film in this very Christmassy spot in my house. This is our tree, and our presents don't really fit on this trunk that the tree is on, so they've kind of just have taken over the armchair and underneath the armchair. So, and I've got my little nutcracker friends behind me. Anyway, so I have to say, this is like one of my favorite looks. I feel so like I can just do anything right now in this outfit. I feel like I got just the right balance of royalty and like soldier. Like I am the Nutcracker when he turns back into a human prince in the Nutcracker. Like I feel like this is me if I were the Nutcracker and I were to turn back human. This is how I would look. Anyway, so yes, I love this cord so much. I spent so much time and energy finding the right pieces to pull out exactly the elements that I wanted in this dress. So my Dolby headband, I loved pulling out the pearls and the red and the jewels on the crowns. The shirt, I loved this touch of gold that pulled out the gold trim here. And I like the fitted sleeve. It's what brings that kind of like military type of vibe to me. And then all the fleur-de-lis, and this piece, the part on the crown I was thinking of is here, this crown here. I don't know if you can see it, but it has that same cross there and there. And I just loved that. I thought it felt very distinguished. So I like it. I felt like the other one was cute, the one that it comes with this blouse, but it was so big and bulky, and since this skirt isn't very poofy, it's a bit more of like an A-line, I guess. I don't know what skirt type I would call it, but it's like not the very floofy cupcake. It's a lot more understated. And then the crowns on my socks with the ribbon to match my ribbon here. The only thing I would change is probably the shoes. I had some black Mary Janes, I had some red velvet heels, but the Mary Janes felt too casual, and like with how the headpiece and this kind of raise up the outfit, I felt like putting on just plain Mary Janes would pull it down. It wouldn't like fit with the rest of the outfit. And the red velvet felt like it was too ladylike, kind of. So if I had my way, I would have like a just over the ankle black lace-up ankle boot with kind of a pointier toe and not a very chunky heel to kind of bring back it, kind of like a hint of a military boot, but not really. I just think like an ankle boot that looked really nice would hit the sweet spot, you know? So that's where I'm at with that, but I just love this headband. Oh, and I ended up not putting my hair up. I kind of like held it up and it looked okay, but then I was just kind of playing with my natural curls, and I just love the length of this cut with this collar. I felt like it just, I don't know, it just worked better. I think it kind of drew your head up more, especially since I have such a small headpiece. I feel like pulling my hair back would only minimize the space up here that I'm taking up. So to just bring your eyes back up to my face, I felt like my hair had to stay down to balance out the whole look. So, and I just really like it, this length with the, like I said, with this collar. I think it just fits perfectly. So, and then I just did little gold star earrings with a little fake diamond in the middle. That's pretty much it, I suppose. Like I said, if you didn't see my unboxing of this JSK, you can go check that out. I'll link it in the description below. Then come say bye. Sit. Sit. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you want to see more of me, hit the subscribe button and the little bell button to get alerts for when I post my new videos. Follow me on Instagram. And finally, I wanted to give a shout out for my upcoming video, so more incentive to hit subscribe and get alerts. In my upcoming video, I have a super fun, exciting, it's going to be like 2 to 3 videos in total. And that's all I'm going to say about it. I'm not even going to say what it is. I'm not even going to say what it is. So you'll just have to take my word for it and hit the subscribe button. Yay!